We continue now at the top of Daf Kufyud Beizam and Beizam Mesechet Kesubos. This is Kesubos Daf 112b. The Gemara says that Rabbi Ami and Rabbi Asi kaimi mitula mitula l'shimsha. They would go from the sun to the shade and the shade to the sun. Rashi over here says kaimi mishimsha l'tula kasha shemesh higia l'makom shein yoshvin. If it would be sunny in the area where they were sitting, v'garson, and they were learning, v'chama mekaderes alein, and the sun would be beating on them. Omdin misham leisha b'tzel. They would get up and move to the shade. In the cold season, they would move from the shade and go to the sunny area. The reason they did this was they did not want to have any complaints on living in Eretz Yisrael. They wanted to make sure they felt comfortable in Eretz Yisrael, so they would never complain about it. Again, this continues along the same lines of the previous Amud of how the Amoraim, how they showed love to Eretz Yisrael. And the Gemara continues, Rabbi Chia bar Gamda mignedar biafra. Rabbi Chia bar Abba, he would roll in the dirt of Eretz Yisrael. Shenemar, like the pasuk says, Ki ratzu avodecha es avoneha ve'asafari yichunenu, because your servants, they desire its stones, and they desire its dirt, and so that's why, again, he would roll in the dirt of Eretz Yisrael. And the Gemara continues, Amar Rabbi Zera, Amar Rabbi Yirmiyah bar Abba. Rabbi Zera said that Rabbi Yirmiyah bar Abba said, Dor sheben David bo, in the generation that the son of David comes, when the Mashiach comes, kategoria b'talmidei chachamim, there will be many attacks against the Talmidei Chachamim. Rashi says, kategoria, harbe mastinim u'malamdim chov, a lot of people finding guilt with the Talmidei Chachamim. Yamdu aleim, they will stand up against the Talmidei Chachamim. When this was said in front of Shmuel, Amar, he said, Siruf achar Siruf. Rashi says, Siruf achar Siruf means Gezerus al Gezerus. There'll be decrees upon the decrees against the Talmidei Chachamim. Shenemar, like the pasuk says, Ve'od ba Assyria, ve'shava v'haisa levoya. Rashi over here explains, Ve'od ba Assyria, keshetisha achalokim yu avudim, means even when 9 out of 10 are already destroyed, that's what the pasuk means, the 10th. So even when we already have 9/10 already destroyed, but still, v'lo noser, nothing left, kima asiris, all that's left is the last 10th. Afhi toshav v'haisa, even that is going to be destroyed. So meaning to say, tziruf achar tziruf, at the times that Ben David is coming, there's going to be many attacks even on the last 10th. And the Gemara continues, Tani Rav Yosef taught, Bezuzei uvezuzei de bazuzei. Rashi over here says, Bezuzei ubazuzei de bazuzei, sholalim achar sholim, means plunderers will come after plunderers. Again, this is all in the times of the coming of Mashiach. And the Gemara continues, Amar Rav Chia bar Ashi, Amar Rav Chia bar Ashi says that Rav says, Asidin koli lani srak she'Eretz Yisrael, in the future, all of the barren trees of Eretz Yisrael, sheyitanu peiros, in the future they will bear fruits. Shenemar, like the pasuk says, Ki eitz nasa pirio, te'ena v'gefen nasnu chelam. Again, it says that the tree is going to give its fruit. It already talks about the te'ena and the gefen, so the eitz must be talking about an eitz that normally does not produce fruit. Rashi over here says, Ki eitz nasa pirio, midachsiv te'ena v'gefen nasnu chelam, hare eitz priyamar. It's already talking about fruit trees at the end of the pasuk. So if that's the case, matam and lomer ki eitz nasa pirio, what's the beginning of the pasuk of ki eitz nasa pirio? Afilane sraki supri. It means to say even the trees that normally don't produce fruit, they will produce fruit in the future in Eretz Yisrael. Hadron alach shnei dayane gezeros. We will return to you Perek shnei dayane gezeros. Uslikollah Mesechet Kesubos. This is the conclusion of the 13th Perek of Mesechet Kesubos, and this is also the conclusion of Mesechet Kesubos. If you're enjoying this channel and these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and please take a look at the description box below to see how you can support this channel. And in the next video, we will Emir Tzah Hashem begin Mesechet Nedorim.